Yeah, yeah, yeah. Saint Lucia, oh so sweet. Feel the rhythm in your feet. Come alive, come and see where beauty meets the sea. Gracefully winding where oceans kiss the skies. Green hills dancing where the pitons rise. Smile so warm, colors in the air. Saint Lucia's love is everywhere. She's the Helen of the West, shining bold and bright. A jewel of the islands glowing day and night. Simply beautiful, Saint Lucia calling me. With your sunlit shores and sweet island breeze. From rainforest deep to coral reef light, you shine like a star in Caribbean nights. Oh, oh, steam rises high and so free as land, driving volcano, nature's hand. Twin peaks standing proud and free, a UNESCO treasure for all to see. Small in size but mighty in soul, 180K hearts that make us whole. Bring big and selfish, our national pride with rich culture and rhythm we won't ever hide. Every beat says you're welcome to. This is Saint Lucia shining through. Beautiful Saint Lucia calling me. With your sunlit shores and sweet island breeze. From rainforest deep to coral reef light, you shine like a star in Caribbean night. Oh, Saint Lucia, land so rare, with every wave, with every prayer. You captured hearts that still do today. Simply beautiful in every way.
This is the best trip ever.